What's going on, everybody? Bobby here. Today I'm going to be showing you a 1974 Corvette Stingray, fully restored automatic convertible. Probably one of the nicest ones we've ever had. Got the luggage rack on the back. See how clean this is? Usually this is all faded and distorted. There's an original interior on it. Very, very nice. Actually, one of my favorite color combos, red and tan interior. You got a trigger for the handle. Reads 84,000 original miles on it. A couple pumps of gas. You got your top back there. You got some speakers back there. It's the only one to have a split bumper in the back. I'll show you that in a second. So 74 is the only Corvette to have a split bumper back here. I mean, you won't find a Corvette like this. I mean, it'll cost more to try to restore one than when you can buy this one for. Dash isn't all cracked up. Give it some gas for you. Engine, same engine from 1974. Got the chrome valve covers, which everybody loves. Heavy duty radiator, brand new alternator. They restored this car very nice. Headlights work. Just pull that deal right there. This is just one you get into and drive. You don't got to do a single thing to it. So come by and check it out. It's for sale. Get you a little red sled for Christmas.